Welcome back to Financial Futures, your go-to channel for the latest updates on personal finance, Social Security, and economic policies that affect your financial well-being. If you're serious about securing your financial future, you've come to the right place. In today's video, we're diving deep into a topic that's been generating a lot of buzz lately: Social Security and the possibility of a $1,255 monthly benefit check for everyone. What's the real story behind this number? Is it feasible? What are experts, lawmakers, and economists saying about it? And most importantly, what does it mean for you? Let's break it all down. As many of you already know, Social Security is a cornerstone of retirement planning for millions of Americans. It's a program that has been around for decades, providing financial security to retirees, disabled individuals, and survivors of deceased workers. Currently, over 70 million people rely on Social Security benefits every month. But as we approach 2024, the future of this vital program is under intense scrutiny. There's been a lot of discussion recently about the sustainability of Social Security. With an aging population and a trust fund projected to be depleted by the mid-2030s, policymakers are exploring various options to ensure the program's longevity. One of these proposals is a standardized $1,255 monthly benefit check for all beneficiaries. But what would this actually entail? Let's talk about where this $1,255 figure comes from. This number is derived from the current federal poverty line, which stands at $15,600 per year for an individual. If you divide that by 12, you get $1,255 per month. The idea behind this proposal is to ensure that no Social Security beneficiary lives below the poverty line. But there are several ways this could be implemented. Raise the benefits of those currently receiving less than $1,255 per month up to this level. This would significantly boost the income for many low-income beneficiaries, helping to lift them out of poverty. Flatten benefits across the board, meaning every Social Security recipient, regardless of their previous earnings, would receive $1,255 a month. This approach would drastically reduce benefits for those who have paid into the system at higher levels, creating a more equal distribution but potentially causing discontent among higher earners. Let's consider the impact on beneficiaries. If the first option were adopted, millions of low-income individuals would see their monthly benefits increase, bringing them closer to the federal poverty line. For those already receiving more than $1,255, there would be no change. However, if the second option were implemented, those currently receiving more than $1,255 could see a significant reduction in their benefits. This could be a tough pill to swallow, especially for those who have contributed more to the system over the years. While the idea of standardizing benefits might sound appealing from an equality standpoint, it raises questions about fairness and the overall impact on retirement security for middle and upper income beneficiaries. It's a classic case of balancing equity and adequacy. Now, what are the long-term implications? On the one hand, raising benefits for the lowest earners could help reduce poverty among seniors and disabled individuals, leading to a more equitable society. On the other hand, reducing benefits for higher earners could discourage saving and investment, potentially increasing reliance on Social Security. Moreover, the political debate around this issue is intense. Some argue that this proposal could save Social Security from insolvency by spreading the benefits more evenly, while others believe it could weaken the program's financial foundation by reducing incentives to contribute more. Lawmakers are divided on this issue. Some support the idea as a necessary reform to protect the program's future, while others see it as an overreach that could harm retirees who have planned their futures around expected benefit levels. As with any major policy change, the devil is in the details, and we can expect a lot of debate before any decisions are made. So, what does this mean for you? If you're currently receiving Social Security benefits or expect in the future, this proposal could have a significant impact on your finances. For those on the lower end of the benefit scale, it could mean a much-needed increase in monthly income. For those on the higher end, it could mean a reduction in benefits and a need to reassess your retirement plans. What are your thoughts on this? Do you think standardizing Social Security benefits at $1,255 a month is a good idea? Would you prefer to see a different approach? Let me know in the comments below. Your input is invaluable, and it helps us all understand the diverse perspectives on this crucial issue. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss an update. Here on Financial Futures, we're committed to keeping you informed about the financial issues that matter most. We'll be following this Social Security debate closely and bringing you the latest developments as they happen. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and remember, your financial future starts today. See you in the next video.